it actually changed my life, and I'm very happy to, I don't know if I'm happy or if I'm a little bit nervous to go back in the normal life, because I now need to find a way to adapt the things I learned here in my like daily business and daily life. The safety made it very easy for me to connect with myself, because over the last, I would say years, I haven't been really connected to myself and to my feelings, and that retreat really helped me to open up to myself and to others as well, which is very difficult for me. And that was probably the best feeling I've ever had in a long time. I think the breathwork, that was very intense. Before I was watching some YouTube videos about it, and I was like, what are these guys doing? It sounds weird. They're just moaning, and but then I tried it, and it's amazing. I mean, how you deep dive into yourself, into your feelings, into everything that is around you, and it's just a very, very nice feeling. And I think that's definitely my highlight.